Here's a really simple but high protein breakfast option for people who don't have time to cook every morning, but like me are bored to death of overnight oats. Each portion in this recipe has 3 large eggs, so if I'm cooking for the next 3 days, I'll use 9. If I'm cooking for 2 people, I'll double the recipe. Adding in a drop of milk and whisking until combined. I lightly greased my tray and then added in my egg mixture. I really need to get bigger bowls because I had to do this in 2 separate batches. I added in some of my favourite veggies, spinach, red bell pepper and cherry tomatoes just for some extra nutrition, and mixed it all together. I also chopped up and included some sliced ham. I used 1 slice per portion, so for 6 portions I added 6 slices of ham. This actually upped the total protein by 4 grams. Gave it all a good mix together, and then I added in some grated cheese. This was 60 grams of low-fat grated cheese, which ended up being 10 grams per portion. And then I generously seasoned everything together as well. I baked this in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes until puffed around the edges and lightly golden brown. When ready to eat, I microwaved it for 1.5 minutes and served with a slice of toast or a bacon.